Imagine having $2 million invested in the crypto space at this stage of the market. Just how much your portfolio will be worth in the next year or two. Commonwealth is going to give you the opportunity to get involved and get airdropped a proportion of their portfolio up to $2 million, and you don't have to spend anything. It's completely for free. It's all for doing social engagements and social tasks for other projects, following people on Twitter, sharing posts, things that we do anyway, but instead you will be rewarded with percentages of their early stage allocations. Now, last cycle, Kyle Chasse did a portfolio challenge. I think he turned like $20,000 into like $2.5 million with private sales to give away to the community. And imagine $2 million, just how much that's going to be worth. So quickly, before I get into how to apply or even why I'm even doing this video, firstly, I want to explain to you about Commonwealth. So Commonwealth is the world's first free venture capital fund. The clue's in the name. It's Commonwealth, right? It's the wealth for common, normal people. They've got a very similar ethos as we do have for Interstellar Ventures. We want normal people to get early stage access. If you've seen my videos about private sales, you will know. Projects like Ethereum, for example, had a private sale and it's up over 1,000x right now. I think that's like 1,000,000%. You can check it out on CryptoRank and you can see early VCs got into Ethereum. But you, my friend, would have had no opportunity, zero. In fact, you wouldn't even have been aware of the Ethereum private sale when it was happening because you're not a VC. But Commonwealth is going to allow you to get in behind the curtains and completely for free. You can see some of the things in their portfolio is Analog, Fireside, Blocklords, Chirp, Cookies, Diamond Swap, DYOR, obviously Commonwealth itself, Nyan, Nibiru, and any of these projects legitimately could do a 100x. And you can see there's different prizes for different tiers. If you get into tier 1, there's 10 opportunities to get $10,000, okay, in their $2 million portfolio. There's 50 opportunities to get $5,000. There's 1,000 opportunities to get $1,000, and tier 4 is you'll get airdrop tokens. So everybody wins in this equation, okay, and it's completely for free. It's mandatory if you want to have success to be taking part in these 3 things. You missed out on the Jupiter airdrop. Do you want to miss out on this? Because I guarantee you, whoever gets $10,000 allocation in this thing is going to be a happy person, man. Because these $10,000 allocation, if any of these do 100x, that's a $500,000 portfolio, maybe even more. Okay. Now, if you do want to sign up, it's very simple. All you do is you go to the link in the description. Make sure that it's the correct link. It's app.joincommonwealth.xyz. You click sign up here, and then you enter the promo code, which will give you extra XP and credits. The promo code will also be in the description. Then all you need to do is put in your email. Now, once you put in your email, you will be sent an email. I'm not going to log in there because it's going to show my email, of course. But once you log in, you'll be able to see your account. You click the link, make sure it's the correct email, of course, and then you'll be able to access Commonwealth's app. Now, once you're in there, all you need to do is take care of some social activities. So once you're in here, all you do is you click start now, okay? Then you see the leaderboard. Obviously, you want to hopefully climb up that rank. You can see free fund projects, and then all you need to do is go through and complete each one of these. It's very similar to like CoinMarketCap, where they educate you about the project and you get rewarded. You can see I've already done 2 so far. I'm going to be finishing off all of these today and just grinding them out. You see there's the simple ones for liking, retweeting, commenting on tweets, sharing KOL videos, following the founder, following the other founder, right? And it's simple. Nothing requires any investment whatsoever. You can literally invest for simply learning about projects, okay? And then you will be able to climb up the leaderboard and join Commonwealth. Now, that's the tutorial. It's very simple, very self-explanatory. But quickly, I just wanted to say a thank you to members of the community for actually asking for this. You see, Katana said, hey, bro, is there a video out there for this? And to be honest, I couldn't find one, so I decided to make it. And if you do want to stay ahead of the game, you do want to learn more, or you do want a step-by-step tutorial, click the link down below and join the Crypto King announcement channel, where you'll be able to stay up to date with all of the different stuff I'm getting up to, all these other projects, and stay in the loop. I know it can be hard to keep up to date with the crypto market, but by following this channel, you will be up to date with everything that is going on in the crypto market and be able to be one step ahead of everybody else. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard, and hopefully you get up there. Grind it out, bro. Get to the top 10. You can be number one. Everybody's human. You have an equal opportunity. It just takes a little bit of effort. There's 5 more days for this thing to get done. If you take action right now, you will be successful. And while you're getting along with this and you're completing these social media challenges, check out this next video where you can learn more about crypto and watch a full 5-hour free course to know everything you need to know about the markets. Peace.